What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Chrissy and I'm back with another video. So today I'll be showing you guys how I installed this pre-highlighted wig that was sent to me by LUVWIN Hair. So this is what the wig looked like straight out the packaging. It came pre-plucked and pre-bleached. It also came with an elastic band. It is considered glueless, so you can just pop it on. Just cut the lace. It is very beginner friendly. Today I will be installing with glue. However, you do not have to. It already comes prepared for you to just put it glueless. As of right now, I'm just putting some makeup on the lace. The wig did come, as you can see, with those shiny things on the back. I don't know what they're called, but it does help have the wig more secure in the back. Right now I'm just gonna pop the wig on, get a feel for it. It was a little too small, but I did make it work. I barely had to cut off any of the sides, but you can choose your head size when you do order this wig. So as of right now, I'm cutting off some ear tabs. Like I said, the wig was already a little too small, so I barely had to cut any lace off, but I did make it work. Today I am going to be trying the Wig Dealer lace glue. They sent me this lace glue. The only thing I don't like about it is that it's really watery, but the hold was great. I did about 4 layers. After letting the glue dry clear, I'm gonna go ahead and place the wig as close to my hairline as possible. Well, the wig's hairline, sorry. And yeah, just place it. I place it from left to right or right to left. I don't start in the middle. I don't know, it's kind of weird. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I just placed it there, and then I use a comb to just press the glue in. And then after that, I'm going to go ahead and put an elastic band and let it melt. And then I'm going to go ahead and start flat ironing my hair. Quick disclaimer, my ring light did stop working literally 30 minutes before I started my video, but it's okay. So that's why the quality is a little bit off and just muggy and just ill. So yeah, before flat ironing my hair, I'm going to take my heat protectant, and I'm also going to add some BioSilk onto the hair, and I'm just gonna go ahead and press it. Getting under my skin, pretty little young thing, had a nigga confidence, got me too excited. After pressing it out, I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting the lace. It's nothing too major with the lace, but like I just cut as close to where the glue is as possible. And then I'm gonna do a middle part today, so I'm just gonna part it out, and then I'm gonna start hot combing each side in sections so it can be flat. So I'm going in with my wax stick. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the first section, and then after putting it on the first section, I'm gonna put on the next section, then the next, you get it. And I'm gonna flat iron each section. Don't put too much wax, because it could get really oily, and I hate when like the top is like too way down. So not too much with the wax, but yeah, I'm gonna do it to this side, then I'm gonna do it to the other side. So far, this is what it looks like. Now on to my favorite part, the baby hairs. So I'm gonna do simple baby hairs today, since I was in a rush and I really had to rush this video. I'm gonna do 2 big baby hairs and 2 sideburns. So what I do, I just pick out a tiny section and then hot comb the hair back and start plucking it to my desired length. Whatever, sorry y'all, I just had a brain fart. But yeah, so I'm just gonna continue plucking it till you could see like my skin through the hairs. I don't know, that's how I pluck it. I don't like it to be too thick, not too thin, but yeah, that's how I do it. After I'm done plucking it, I'm just gonna cut them, and then take my 1/2 inch flat iron, curl it back, and then use my Got2b. I usually use foam too, but I ran out, so I just had to use the Got2b. But oh yeah, I'm sorry, like where did that foam come from? I swear I didn't use foam, but yeah, I guess I did. But yeah, so I used the Got2b and the foam. Yeah, so I just, if y'all want a baby hair tutorial, I could also do that as well. But yeah, I'm gonna do the same with the sideburns, part it, pluck it, then cut it, then swoop it. Okay.
But do what it takes. And I never been embraced. And the money's hard to make. So I bet they on their face right now. When he tell the story, that's not how I went. No, they be lying 100%. Moved out of the wrist and forgot about the bit. Why they just call me to tell me come get it.
Now I'm going to do the same to the other side. After I finish the other side, I'll be back with the final results. I had to cut it short because I was in a rush and then my camera ended up dying. But you guys will see how it turned out at the end, so stay tuned.
The crib gone crazy down there. What they had didn't last. Down there, what they had didn't last. Damn, baby, down there.